Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to increase and decrease column width and row height in Excel sheet. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data. I want to just increase the column width. You can easily drag from mouse to increase the column width. Also, as the same, you can drag from for row height from mouse. Okay, this is a one more option. Okay, I will show you the second option, how to increase the row height. Just select any cell. Okay, go on home tab and just click on the format. You can see here the first option, row height. Click on that. Now is the row height 20.25. I want to it's 25. Then click on OK. You can see here the row height it will 25. Okay, same as usual. If you want to increase the column width, just click on the column width. You can see here now column width is 14.43. I want to 16. Just click OK. You can see here the column width will increase. Okay, one more option. If you want to increase row height as same for every row, then you can see the one more option, you can same for every row is a auto fitted for every. You can select the all row, just double click from the mouse, it will fit the row at the same height. Okay, same for the column width. If you want the same column width for all column, just select the all column, double click from the mouse. You can see the all column fitted on the same width. Okay, that's it. Thank you.